In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar. Outlook Calendar is a simple and practical tool for organizing your day, planning meetings, and keeping track of appointments in one place. If you use Outlook for work or personal scheduling, learning how to create events properly can make it much easier to stay on top of everything. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process for opening the calendar and creating a new event so you can start managing your schedule with confidence. To begin, go to Calendar in Outlook. Once you're signed into Outlook, look for the Calendar section in the navigation area and open it. This will take you to your calendar view, where you can see your schedule laid out by day, week, or work week, depending on your current settings. This view is helpful because it gives you a quick snapshot of your availability and any events you already have planned. After you're in the calendar, click on New Event. This is the option you'll use whenever you want to add something new to your schedule. It opens the event creation window where you can start entering the details for your meeting or appointment. If you're using Outlook regularly, this button will become one of the most important tools for managing your time efficiently. Next, click on Event. This confirms that you want to create a standard calendar event. In Outlook, this is the common option for adding appointments, meetings, reminders, or blocks of time to your calendar. It's a straightforward way to schedule something and make sure it appears in your calendar view. From here, you can create your meeting or appointment, and you can also see your schedule while doing it. This is especially useful because it helps you avoid booking something at a time when you're already busy. As you enter your event details, take a moment to review the time and date carefully so everything is accurate. Keeping your calendar updated helps you stay organized and makes it easier for others to coordinate with you if needed. A good habit is to check your calendar before adding anything new, especially if you have a busy week. That way, you can plan more effectively and avoid overlaps. Even with just these basic steps, Outlook Calendar can quickly become a reliable tool for time management. And that's how to use Microsoft Outlook Calendar to create and manage an event. Once you get comfortable with this process, scheduling your day becomes much faster and more organized.